In this video, I aim to help you install some audio software on your computer. In our first assessment task, we're going to use the software to do some audio analysis. The main requirements are 1. To import a pre-recorded audio file. 2. Use memory location markers to identify significant events in an audio program. 3. Ideally, we want to be able to export these markers as text to build a written analysis. If you are already using some audio software, you might like to investigate the markers feature and see if there is an export option. Watch my instruction video for the audio content analysis assessment to see what is required. It shows the process in Avid Pro Tools. In Assessment 3, we will be undertaking multi-track editing and mixing of audio that we have recorded. The software you choose should enable you to complete this task as well. In tutorials and workshops, we will be focusing on Avid Pro Tools. However, here I will provide a few software alternatives in case you can't get Pro Tools up and running or your computer does not meet the required specifications. In another video, I will discuss the installation procedure for Avid Pro Tools. The first alternative to Pro Tools is Audacity. This is a simple free audio editor with limited features and relative ease of use. It is easy to install on Windows or Mac, and if you are on a budget and want to keep things simple, this is a good option. The second is a program called Reaper. This is a fully featured digital audio workstation. It's free to try for an unlimited time and costs US $60 to purchase. It is easy to install on Windows or Mac, but is a bit more complex to use. If you are on a budget and you want to invest time in learning a professional level tool, this is a good option. We'll start with the simplest option, a free open source audio editor called Audacity. Google search for Audacity or type www.audacityteam.org into the search bar. Select the download menu and choose your operating system. Notice that for Mac, the latest Mac OS 10.15 Catalina is not currently supported. On both Mac and Windows, the installer will install the application in your Applications folder or Program Files folder. Locate the application and start it up. Our second option is Reaper. Reaper is not free, but you can continue to use it without charge. Do a Google search for Reaper or type www.reaper.fm into the search bar. Select Download Reaper and choose the version for your operating system. On both Mac and Windows, the installer will install the application in your Applications folder or Program Files folder. Locate the application and start it up. The next step is to look for learning resources so you can get started. A good place to start is with the user manuals and the help files that come with the software. The next best place is on LinkedIn Learning. I'll show you how to find this in another video. I hope this gets you up and running. Please let me know if you get into trouble. As I mentioned, instructions for obtaining and installing Pro Tools will be coming soon.